Hello, plant lovers. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic: how to grow your own delicious broccoli. First off, let's talk about the soil. Broccoli is a heavy feeder, so prepare the soil by incorporating organic matter such as compost or manure. This will not only provide the necessary nutrients for the plants, but also improve soil structure, increasing its ability to hold water and air. Next, choose a sunny spot for your plants. Broccoli loves full sun, but it can tolerate partial shade if temperatures are high. Keep in mind that too much shade can lead to stunted growth and poor quality produce. Once you've found the perfect spot, it's time to sow seeds or transplant seedlings. For outdoor planting, aim for a window when the soil is workable and there's no threat of frost. Alternatively, you can start seeds indoors several weeks before your last frost date to get a head start on the growing season. Once planted, water your broccoli regularly but deeply. A deep watering encourages a strong root system, which leads to sturdy plants that can withstand pests and diseases better than weak ones. Be mindful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot in the soil around them. It's essential you don't overwater them. As your broccoli grows, watch out for pests like cabbage moths and slugs. They love broccoli just as much as we do. Use natural methods like traps or organic pesticides if necessary. Finally, harvest your broccoli heads when they reach about 5 to 6 inches in diameter at their base. That's about how wide they should be when they are ready. Twist and pull gently on one of the florets until it comes away from its stem. This should be easy once they are mature enough for harvesting. Remember not to early or too late. Now that you know how to grow your own delicious broccoli at home with simple steps and tips, I hope you enjoy growing these nutritious veggies in your garden. Feel free to share your experiences with us in comments below or on our social media channels. Happy gardening from all of us here at Green Thumb Gardens. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great gardening content.